Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Thanks for watching this video. If you are new to our channel, please consider subscribe. In this video we are creating a simple and cool text animation in Kinemaster. Before we start, let's see what we create today. Let's get started. Tap on this plus icon to create a new project. Here select 16:9 aspect ratio. Now import a black color plane from background. Increase timeline duration. Let's add text. Tap on layer, select text. Now tap here for more fonts. Use any bold font. I am going to using this Roboto black font. Now resize it. Now make a copy of this layer. Tap on this 3 dots. And select duplicate. Tap here to edit text. Now resize it, as I shown in the video. Select brOKen text layer. Tap here to edit text. Now reposition this text layer. Also this one. Resize it. Let me adjust this 2 text layers. Now duplicate this text layer. Change this text color. Also edit the text. Reposition it. Also decrease the size. Let me adjust this layers. Now select this brOKen text layer. Tap on overall animation. Select flicker animation. Let's see how it's looking. Let's decrease the opacity of this layer. Select this layer, and tap on alpha. Select this layer, tap on in animation. Apply fade animation to this layer. And the speed is 1 second. This is our final animation, guys. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe.